Hello everyone, we are connected on Gate Data platform and I'm your anchor and host Usmanli guys, and today I'm here with a new topic, with a new project actually. So project name is RCADE or RCAD is the name of this project, okay? So its name is RCADE or Arcade. So it's a new project actually listed in the HODLer Airdrop of Gate Data. Okay, it's listed in the HODLer Airdrop of Gate Data and it's a new project. So I'm gonna tell you a complete details about this project in my this live stream there. So everything we'll be covering from about this project in my this live stream. Okay, dear. So I hope so you are going to watch this live stream up to the end, guys. So thank you so much, everyone, who is there and going to watch my live stream. So all of you guys, thank you so much, guys. Let me just right now see that where we are standing at here. So okay, I'm seeing the situation there. Okay, okay. You can see it is the okay. Let's have a now. Let's see about this project here. So just give me a few seconds. I'm gonna add a red packet, guys. So then we'll be continuing our live stream here. I'm gonna add a red packet for you. So then after that we'll be continuing our live stream here, guys. Okay. Just give it a few seconds. I'm adding the red packet here. Okay, guys. Yes, I have added the red packet for you guys. So let's have a look on this project, guys. So what is the project? Project's name is Rocket, and it is listed on the Gate.io, guys. Okay. It is listed in the HODLer airdrop of Gate.io. Okay, dear. So I hope so you're getting the situation there. So Gate will initially list Rocket network spot trading and launch HODLer airdrop. You can see very clearly. So after that, what we can see here, Gate will initially list Rocket network and offer a limited time HODLer airdrop. Users holding at least 1 GT can share actually 9.6 million Rocket tokens for the free. So the HODLer airdrop is exclusively for the GT holders. After the Rocket network airdrop concludes, no funds will be deducted from the participants there. Okay, so you are understanding how nicely this project is going on. Okay, so what is the project name is and how it is going on, you can see very clearly there. So project is name is Rocket, and actually it is available in the HODLer airdrop of Gate.io. Okay, there. So it's available in the HODLer airdrop of Gate.io. You can see very clearly there. So the HODLer airdrop is exclusively for GT holders. After the arcade network airdrop concludes, no funds will be deducted from the participants. After that, what we can see airdrop details. So what are the airdrop details here? So HODLer airdrop ends time. So its end time is the 9th from the 9th July. Its end time is actually 9th July 2025 at the 11 UTC. Okay, its ending time is 9th July 2025 at the 11 UTC. Okay, there. Further, what we can see total supply here. Okay, total supply, if you see here, it is 9.6 million Racade. And unlocking rules, if you see here, 100% unlock. And trading starts from the 9th July 2025 at the 13 UTC. Okay, dear. And a trading pair, if you see here, Racade USDT is the trading pair. And for the participation rules, if you check here, so come first of all, actually here, complete identity verification. Okay, first of all is your verification, identity verification. So in the first we have what you have to do in the first bus, just we have to complete our identity verification. And what is the second requirement? So second requirement is hold at least 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding snapshot proportion. The maximum participation limit for each user in this event is 5000 GT. Okay, dear. So further, what we can see there, how to claim the airdrop. It's very simple also. So log in and complete identity verification. Go to the launch pool, select HODLer airdrop, hold at least 1 GT, click now join now button, and then you will be participated there. So there are FAQs also given there about the HODLer airdrop, but these FAQs I will be covering you in the next in actually the next upcoming tab. So I have already opened these FAQs, so guys we'll be seeing it also further. So as for now moving for the current situation there. Okay, as for now moving further situations there, about RCADE network, what we are seeing there. Okay, so about RCADE network, if you look at here, RCADE network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. Okay, so you can see very clearly what is actually RCADE network. So RCADE network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. So RCADE is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with revolving games, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the live on the App Store and Google Play. Okay, dear. and further you can see with no with more media partners to follow. Okay, again listen here. So Arcade is bringing digital entertainment on chain in alliance with the Revolving Games, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow. Okay, dear. So further, what we see their situation there. So with the 7 lakh plus installs across the four launched titles, 40,000 plus playing as customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million plus USDT total capital raised from the traditional funding and the community spent across infrastructure and in game revenue. Arcade is set to power its next phase of growth through the game publishing. Okay, dear. This is very nice thing that I'm sharing with you. So again, listen here. With 7 lakh plus installs across four launched titles here, 40,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million plus USDT total capital raised from the traditional funding community spent across infrastructure and in game revenue. Rocket is set to power its next phase of growth through the gaming publishing. Okay, so further moving downward there. So token name, what is the token name? Token name is Rocket, and token symbol, if you see here, its symbol is Rocket. Okay, maximum supply, if you see here, it is actually 40,000 million arcade, and token type, you can see it is ARB, and token ID given it here. Actually, here is address given it. If I open it here, so let me show it to you there about this token here. Hey Crypto Vager, you are there. Okay, you are a scammer. I know, we know very nicely you are a scammer. You have much accounts. Kinsey Taylor is your account. You have a trade seeker account. So actually, we know about you right now. Okay, you are a scammer. Okay, guys, this gift packet, this actually website is still opening there, so let's wait there. So I have opened this token ID there. So you can see here is its token ID that you are seeing it as here actually. So token arcade here, and these are some token IDs that you can see there. So you can see very nicely. So need not to actually explain it to you. Here is the token ID actually. Here is actually lying it here. So you just have to copy it from here. Okay, dear. So moving back to the topic there. So token distribution ratio and unlocking rules. What are the token distribution ratio and unlocking rules? So arcade node reward. Okay, arcade node rewards 37%. Release 2.6 percentage at the TGE 0 month cliff, 36-month vesting. Okay, dear. Again, listen. Arcade node reward 37 percentage release, 2.6 percentage at the TGE 0 month cliff, and 36 month vesting there. And advisors have the 4% and 0 month cleavage, 0 month cliff, 12-month vesting there. Okay, so moving further, investor, if you look at your pre-seed 5 percentage, 12 months cliff, and a 12 months vesting there. Investor bridge 0.5 percentage, release 50 percentage at TGE, 12-month cliff at 0 month vesting there. Investor seed 6.9 percentage, release 10 percentage at TGE, 6-month cliff, 12-month vesting. Investor strategic 0.4 percentage, release 5 percentage, and TGE 6-month cliff, and 12-month vesting here. Okay, moving for the team, you can see 12 percentage, 12-month cliff, 24 months vesting. Okay, and airdrop and player incentives 19.38 percentage, and release the 53.56 percentage at TGE, 0 month cliff, 6-month vesting there. Further, you can see launch contributors actually have the actually 4.67 percentage. So release 100 percentage at the TGE. Okay, dear. So moving further there, treasury 3.85 percentage, 0 month cliff, 38 months vesting there. Ecosystem growth 2.95 percentage, release 25 percentage at the TGE, 0 month cliff to 48 months vesting there. And liquidity, if you see here, 3% liquidity, release 10%, 100 percentage at the TGE, and the website is also given there. So guys, this website link I have already opened in the next upcoming tab here, so we'll be seeing it also further in a very complete detail. Okay, so as for now, just coming downward. So okay, dear. So GateLive investment, if you see here, GateLive investment is clear. So GateLab did not invest in the Arcade network. Okay, they did not. GateLabs have not invested in the Arcade network. Moving further, note actually given here. So what is the note actually telling it here? So in the note you are seeing Gate token is the unique exchange token of Gate exchange and the native token to the Gate chain public chain. Hold GT now, actually address given there for holding there. So it's a very native it's a native token of Gate.io. Okay dear. So moving further, please complete identity verification before participating. Okay, complete identity verification before participating in the startup to enhance the security of your account and the asset here. Okay, I hope so you are understanding, guys. So what you have to do, just you have to complete your identity verification before participating in the startup to enhance the security of your account and the asset here. Third notice there, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited. An occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards there. Okay. Further, you can see where any discrepancies arises between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. For the fifth question, gate reserves all rise to the final explanation. Sixth question, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access to the services, including the participating in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the further details on the restricted locations there. So, as for now, moving further downward, there some risk warning that you have to keep in your mind. These risk warnings, yes, what are the risk warnings? The first one, actually, the HODLer Airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its initial or the early stages. The project operation, underlying technology, and legal environment may pose significant risk. Okay, dear, may pose significant risks there. The project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its sale price. Okay, please invest with the caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity there. Thirdly, the HODLer Airdrop project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activities might contribute to the significant risks there. Okay. So further what we can see, advanced technical and the financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of the crypto asset investment. Further, you can see the market volatility is high and the price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to the technical, regulatory, and the market factors here. So you can see Gate team here published this article on the 8th July 2025. Okay. So gateway to crypto. Actually here you can see gateway to crypto. So trade over the 3,600 USD, 3,600 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate, guys. I always recommend all of my viewers to actually Gate.io. Okay, it's a very good platform. It's a very good exchange platform. So it has a 3,600 plus cryptocurrencies for the trading. Okay, they are available there. Further, take action now button given there. Sign up and claim up to the 10,000 USDT in the welcome reward. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Okay, dear. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission, guys. Okay. So further, stay connected. You can see here. So stay connected. You can see here. Go visit Gate's official website. Download the Gate app, a desktop version. Follow us on the Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss the trending topics there and actually engage with our global community to see for the latest insights there. Okay, dear. Further transparency and security, if you see here, it is the check out the 100% proofs of reserves given there. Okay, dear. I hope so you are understanding the situation very clearly, guys. So this was the first page that I explained to you very clearly. So I hope so you have actually understand is this very clearly. Okay, dear. Right now, let me just right now actually move something here. Actually, okay, here. Hey guys, okay, right now let's see here about, I was telling you about this project. We have seen very clearly. First homepage we have seen right now. Let me take you to the second page, which I have opened by clicking this button. Okay, when I've clicked this button, join now button, I will be redirected to a new page. So let's have a visit on that page. So it is actually the HODLer Airdrop page of Gate.io and actually for the RCADE project. Okay, this is the RCADE project available in the HODLer Airdrop of Gate Data. You can see RCADE in progress. It's initial, so and it is right now in the progress available there, and it will end in the 7 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, 7 hours and 10 minutes are left behind in the ending of this RCADE project. And further, you can see here actually their Twitter page given there. official website and FAQs given there. So all these pages, all these actually tabs I have already opened in the next upcoming tab. So we'll be seeing them coming in complete detail also. So as for now, just moving downward further. So you can see here claim for free button given there. If you have a 1 GT in your account, then you have to just click on claim for free and you will be participated. Okay, it's very simple there. So moving further, total airdrop, if you see here right now, total airdrop given here. So it is actually 9.6 million RCADE is the total airdrop. Good morning, sunshine. How are you? Hey, lovely peaches. Thank you so much, dear. I'm fine and good to and welcome to you also, dear. Welcome and I'm fine, dear. Welcome, welcome, dear. Welcome to my live stream here. Thank you for coming to my live stream. Good to see you in my broadcast. Lovely peaches, lovely peaches. Wow. Thank you so much, dear. Okay. Total airdrop, you guys, we have seen 9.6 million arcade participants. If you see here, 11,436 people have participated. Okay, yeah. And the per GT, if you see here, per GT 1.60 arcade is the amount of per GT. Okay, individual participation cap actually here, 5,000 GT is the individual participation cap. Okay, what is the individual participation cap? It is the 5,000 GT. And further increase GT button given there. So just because I don't have GT in my account, so that's why they have given the increase GT button given there. So within the individual participation cap, the more GT you hold, you have the more airdrops you will receive. Further, I have nothing, so that's why it's showing zero balance here. And actually, if you have two choices there. Either you can buy GT, or either you can actually convert GT. Okay, so two options given there: either buy GT or they can either convert GT. Shining Moon, welcome to my live stream here. Thank you so much for coming to my live stream here. Okay, guys, project information you can see here right now. So it is the project information actually given it here in a very detail here you can see. So RCADE network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. So RCADE is bringing digital entertainment on-chain in alliance with the revolving games, multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow. So further what we can see there, with 7 lakh plus installs across the 4 launch titles, 40,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million plus total capital, 50 million plus USD total capital raised from the traditional funding and community spend across the infrastructure and in game revenue. RCADE is set to power its next phase of the growth through the gaming for the game publishing. Okay, so as for now, moving further downward here, so you have seen this is the founder of Rocket Network, founder Amar. Amar is the name of the founder of this Rocket project, and Amar is the also co-CEO, and Saad is the co-CEO. Okay, Amar, sorry, actually it is the Amar is the co-CEO, Saad is also co-CEO, Shayan, the president of the studio, produced and collaborated with and for the renowned gaming studio, including the EA Token, EA Take 2K, Scopely, and others. They have also worked in the iconic games, including the Fruit Ninja, Sims 3, Stake Cricket, Mafia, and others. Also, dear, thank you so much, everyone. How are you, brother? I'm fine. Thank you so much, and Allah. And how are you? Okay, I'm fine, and welcome, dear. I'm fine. Shining Moon, I'm fine, and welcome to you in my live stream here. Okay, welcome to my live stream. Okay, moving further, guys. Their highlight are the vision. So, what is their highlight and the vision there? So, Rocket is a actually you can see it's the same thing actually that I already told you at here actually. Actually here what we saw actually here. So it's the same thing actually also again at here. So you can see very clearly. Again, I have to tell you here. So highlight and vision actually. You can see Rocket Network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. Okay. Recade is bringing digital entertainment on-chain in alliance with the Revolving Games, a multi-studio games publisher whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow. With 7 lakh plus installs across the 4 launch titles, 40,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 million plus USDT total capital raised from the traditional funding and community spend across infrastructure and in game revenue. Rocket is set to power its next phase of growth through the games publishing. Okay. As for now, moving further downward, token economics, if you see here, RCADE token acts as a designated gas token. Okay, so RCADE token acts as a designated gas token, facilitating transactions on the RCADE chain. Hey, Shining Moon, good work. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind comments, and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Always you join my live stream. I'm very happy. Thank you so much, dear. Good to see you. Okay. Moving further, you can see also here, we are seeing the token economics right now. So Racket token acts as a designed gas token facilitating transactions on the Racket chain. So Racket's utility is expected to extend into the several key areas, particularly emphasizing governance, management, and incentivization mechanics here. So Arcade will act as a payment mechanism with the Arcade ecosystem accepted as payment for the games, in-games items, in-game stores, and integrated marketplaces here. Okay, moving further, technical overview if you see about this project. So you can see also here, build on high performance actually, so you can see here, build on high performance blockchain infrastructure powered by the arbitrum caldera airflow. The Arcade network ensures fast, high cost and decentralized gameplay with no middleman or centralized control. Okay, dear. From discovery new games and activating rewards to powering decentralized infrastructure via arcade nodes, Rakesh fuels every layer of this new player powered future. Okay, dear. As for now, moving further downward, highlights and visions you can see here. So these are actually the same thing that we have already seen. So again, listen it here. So Arcade Note reward 37 percentage, release 2.6 percentage at the TGE 0 month cliff and 36 months vesting there. Further, advisor 4% 0 month cliff, 12 months vesting there. Investors, actually, you can see seed 5 percentage, 12 months cliff, 12 months vesting here. Investors bridge 0.5 percentage, release 50% at the TGE, 12 month cliff, 0 month vesting there. Investors seed 6.9 percentage, release 10% at the TGE, 6 months cliff, 12 months vesting there. Investors strategic 0.4 percentage, released 5% at TGE 6 month cliff, 12 month vesting there. Team 12% will 12 month cliff, 24 months vesting there. Okay. Further airdrop and a players incentives 19.38 percentage, release 53.56 percentage at TGE 0 month cliff, 6 month vesting there. Launch contributors 4.67 percentage, released 100 percentage at TGE. Treasury 3.85 percentage, 0 month clip, 48 months vesting there. Ecosystem growth and 2.95 percentage, release 25 percentage, TGE 0 month clip, 48 months vesting there. Liquidity 3 months, release 100 percentage at TGE. Okay, dear. So you have seen very nicely their highlight and vision. Right now, here is the risk reminder. Okay, risk reminder. So the trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to the technical, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate.io cannot guarantee that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on various factors, and the official listing announcement shall prevail. Okay, dear. Moving further, by participating in the project, you accept our airdrop terms and conditions there. So, what are the terms and conditions? So right now, it's time for me to tell you actually FAQs about the HODLer Airdrop. These are actually very small FAQs, so I have many other FAQs also. So, I'll be sharing you with you all other FAQs also. Okay, dear. I will be seeing all other FAQs also. Okay, need not to worry, guys. Need not to worry. Everything I will be sharing with you guys. I hope so you are understanding and connected here. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for being there and keep watching my live stream here. Keep connected here, guys. Okay. So and right now, let's see for the situations here. FAQs, if you see here, how to participate in the HODLer airdrop. First FAQ, how to participate in the HODLer airdrop. Answer is very simple. As long as your GT holdings in the Gate account is no less than 1, you can participate and receive the airdrop without locking or stacking GT. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. Just you have to if you have the completed your identity verification, and if you have only just if you have at least 1 GT in your account, then you are eligible for the participation in the HODLer airdrop. Okay, dear. After that, which another FAQ, which account GT holdings will be included in the calculation? So GT holdings in the unified account, spot account, isolated margin account, copy trading account, bot account, financial account, and payment account. Okay, they are included. However, GT in the crypto loan and GT2 are excluded here. Okay. Moving for the further situation there, how is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holdings, tracking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holdings. Your final reward is based on your average holdings during the entire project period. Okay, dear. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token rewards equal to the your average hourly holdings divided by the all participants' average hourly holdings multiplied by the total airdrop amount. Okay, dear. So further, what we can see there, what is per GT? Okay. Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the HODLer airdrop project with the 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holdings of all the participants and is updated hourly. Okay, dear. Right now, moving further, another FAQ. Why are my holdings calculated differently across projects? So, system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holding depending on when you join each project. Okay, the calculated average holdings may vary. In theory, if your holdings amount remains constant, your average hourly holdings should be the same across all projects you participate in. Okay, dear. It's very simple. Further, another FAQ. What is the individual participation cap? So different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the details page or the event announcement for the more details. Okay, dear. It's very simple, dear. So moving further, how can I participate in the multiple HODLer airdrop projects at the same time? Sorry, is he asking that? Can I participate in the multiple HODLer airdrop projects at the same time? Yes, dear, you can participate in multiple HODLer airdrop projects, dear. So another FAQ, how will the airdrop reward be distributed? So the airdrop reward will be calculated and distributed within 1 day, within 1 hour actually, within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it any time going to the launch pool, into the HODLer airdrop, and then participation history, guys. Okay, guys, up to right now we have seen the actually the HODLer airdrop of RCADE project. So right now it's time for me to take to you the official website. Okay, official website of the RCADE project. Then after that we'll be visiting the official X account of RCADE project. So let's have a look on the official website. So I have already opened, so just going there. Okay, here is the official website of RCADE project that you are seeing it here. Okay, here is the official website, guys. So you can see trailer. Here landing page is very cool. I'm very impressed by landing page here. They're good. They're a good landing page here. Okay, so trailer. Okay, about you can see here about revolving games. Okay, ecosystem tokenomics. Nodes change. Okay, these things given here. Games, if you see overview, War, Nova, Sky One, or Legacy Phonics Fight, and Hatch Lines. Okay, and Quest questioning and the marketplace, new collecting nodes, TBA token, TBA. Okay, these things you can check it out also. Okay, plunge in now. Okay, so moving as for some other things there. Moving downward. Okay, dear. What are the further situations given there? So let me just right now see here. Nexus 15.6 meter. Okay. So guys, actually here is a YouTube video, and I don't think so I should play it just because after that it will be a kind of copyright. Okay, I think so. But this copyright could be actually it could be developed there. So I need to just actually skip that thing actually. If you see here plunge now button there, if you click on there, what will happen here? Okay, what will open? So let me tell it to you also. So Here you can see, oh wow, that's cool thing actually. So plug into on the rocket. Connect your wallet to get started. Connect your wallet address given there if you click it here. So here are actually the wallet connect actually. QR code, either OKX wallet, Coinbase, all wallets. Okay. So these are some things given there you can see also. So further the official X account given there, here Discord and actually the. So right now moving downward the previous page there. So we were seeing the actually iconic ecosystem, and right now I'll move to the tokenomics. Let's see about the tokenomics actually here. So dear, so you can see right now RCADE tokenomics. Okay, RCADE token. So RCADE tokens act as a designated gas token facilitating transactions on the RCADE chain. Okay, RCADE utility is expected to extend into several key areas, particularly emphasizing governance-free management, incentivization mechanics. Okay, RCADE will also act as a payment mechanism with the RCADE ecosystem accepted as the payment for the games, in-games items, in-games stores, integrated marketplaces. Okay, in-game marketplaces, integrated marketplaces. Okay, yeah. Further, alongside with the game sinks, Arcade will allow users to seamlessly move value acquired for the time and skill invested in one game to another, introducing interpretability. With every new game deployed on the Arcade or chain, token use cases increase and bring further value to the Arcade ecosystem. Okay, yeah. Moving further, what we can see, given the above, the Arcade tokenomics were strategically designed to reward network contributors, with a whooping 62% of the Arcade being distributed to NFT holders and node operators. Okay, dear. Okay, so this was actually the tokenomics of the Arcade network that you have seen right now. Let me just right now take it to the back there. Okay, so we saw tokenomics. After that, we are going to see the nodes here. Okay, what are the nodes actually here given there? So you can see Rocket nodes. So community owned and operated Rocket nodes are integrated to empower the Rocket chain by monitoring the chain integrity. Rocket node chain is anticipated to play a pivotal role in the economic and reward mechanics of the Rocket ecosystem, as well as critical chain and decentralized network operations there. In the initial phase of the network launch, the node verifier functionally will begin to be enabled, embodying clear blockchain principles of decentralization, security, and transparency. Okay, yeah. Further, as the Racket chain grows, so do the rows of the Racket nodes, from the batching in the game transactions to decentralizing compute capabilities and game server hosting. Okay, further 50% of the Rocket token pool will be allocated to the Rocket nodes operator, who contribute their data compute resources to the support the Rocket network and gaming ecosystem. Okay, dear. So you have seen the nodes also right now. Let's move and see some other things there. Okay, dear. So nodes we have seen right now. Moving to the chain right now. Okay, have a look on the chain right now. So Racket chain, it is in its most basic form. Racket chain is the secure, scalable, and economic infrastructure that supports the flow of the value within the Racket ecosystem. So built on Arbitrum, the Racket chain is lightning fast L3 intended to power the entire Racket ecosystem from mobile hit war of the Nova to the future titles. Okay, Racket chain isn't just redefining the gamer relationship. It provides the ultimate toolkit to support Web2 developers, allowing them to bring new or existing IPS into the Racket ecosystem. Low fees, real ownership, and tools for devs make the Racket chain the backchain of 100 plus future game future. Okay, yeah. It's not just infrastructure; it's the evolution of the blockchain gaming. Okay, dear. Wow, that's good thing actually. So, as for moving further here, you have seen very clearly what's this chain here. Right now, let's see further things here. Okay, yeah. So if you see in the games, so these games I'm not gonna show you actually these games. So Quest, Side Quest, the marketplaces. So NFT collecting here. If you look at here, NFT collection here. what is the NFT collection? Okay. Here you can see revolving games. Okay. Nexus nodes, RG bytes. Okay. And Skyborn, Janus, Immortal. These are some actually the collections that they have given there. Okay, dear. Further, right now I think that you have seen very classically these things here. So moving back to their about their this website, we are back on their website, guys. So everyone who's watching my live stream, I hope so you are getting the situation very clear there. So actually, right now, let me take you to the official X account, actually, or the Twitter account of RCADE Network. Okay. So here is the official XR Twitter account of RCADE Network, and you can see here is the RCADE one token infinitive games player centric. Okay, RCADE Network. Okay, RCADE is the global game chain token facilitating the expansion of the revolving games gaming ecosystem and node network. So up to right now they have actually 371.5k followers here. Okay, and then actually here the website link given there. So they have joined from the March 2024, 2024. Okay, dear. So as for now, moving further there downward, so you can see the Kate network actually given it here. So actually, these are some things that you can see. They have posted very nice things there. So some other things that are very important. Let me tell it to you here. Okay, dear. Here, this is actually listed on the this project. Actually, the Kate project is also listed on the Binance. Okay, you can see very clearly. It is listed on the Binance also. Okay, you can see very nicely. It is available there, so that it is listed on the Binance. Okay, dear. So if you look at some other situations also, if you look at the other things about the project here, so let me tell it to you also some other things here. I hope so you are understanding situation very clearly. So here is the actually Binance, it is listed on the Binance, and Rocket actually further it is also listed on the OKX, actually with the OKX located here. It is also listed on the further if you see any other exchange here. So as for right now, it is listed on the Binance and actually the Bitkit. I think so. It is also listed on the Bitkit and also on the Gate. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. So as for now, you can see here as the post. Give many posts they have published here. So if you see any exchange further available there, let me check it there. Okay, here we are seeing Caldera. Okay, so not actually any kind of further exchange. So it is just listed on the Binance and the Gate. Okay, dear. So right now, you have seen very clearly we have discussed their official X account, guys. So this was actually the official X account of this project. Okay, dear. So what is the project? So it's the Rocket project. So let's see some things there. Is this everything all working okay, dear? Yes, everything is okay. I think so. Still there. Let me check it. Everything is okay or not? Okay, okay. Everything is okay. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. All of you guys who are there, very welcome to my live stream here. Good to see you everyone. And you can see this is the actually official X account of Rocket Network, guys, that I'm sharing with you right now. You can see very clearly. So as for right now, moving further there, right now to the Gate Launch Pool. Okay, so here are some FAQs about the Gate Launch Pool. So what is Gate Launch Pool, guys? Okay, let's see here. What is the Gate Launch Pool? Okay, dear. So guys, just give me a few seconds here. Hey guys, a little bit problem is going on. Let me see and check it. The problem, where is the issue solved or not? Actually, suddenly my screen is stuck at one level. I don't think so. Why the OBS is doing this? Actually, why is the OBS is doing this thing? Actually, I'm checking there. Actually, suddenly stick. Okay. Yes, it's working. It's working. Okay, dear. Need not to worry. Need not to worry. It's working, dear. Okay, dear. So we were seeing about the actually actually here the gate launch pool FAQs, guys. So coming to the gate launch pool FAQs here, you can see. So what is the gate launch pool, guys? So this is a very important question that you should keep in your mind. So what is gate launch pool? So right now I'm gonna cover the launch pool FAQs, guys, about the gate here. So you can see here what is gate launch pool. So gate launch pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT token, Ethereum, BTC, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing the market opportunities there. Okay, again listen here. What is Gate Launch Pool? So here, Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT token, BTC, USDT, Ethereum, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing the market opportunities. Okay, dear. So moving further, join now button given that you can click on the join now button also. So moving further, how can I participate in the Gate Launch Pool? So first log into your Gate account, navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page, then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Okay, dear. Moving further, third question, which coin can I stake in the Gate Launch Pool? So answer is very simple. The tokens eligible for the participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of the Gate Launch Pool to view the more details. Okay, dear. Moving further, fourth question: how many tokens will be rewarded there? So hourly stacking reward is actually equal to the individual latest 1 hour valid stacking amount divided by the total pool stacking amount multiplied by the hourly reward pool. Okay. Further, you can see the platform will take multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amount each hour and take the average stacking amount as the valid amount. Okay, dear. Fifthly, how are rewards distributed is also very simple there. Rewards, this platform will take multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amount hourly and token rewards are distributed to the eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into the user's spot account. Okay, dear. I hope so you're understanding, guys. Thank you so much, guys. And further, another question here. When will the stat asset be redeemed? So after the user redeems in advance or the stacking is completed, okay, the stat asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the stat asset will be redeemed into the spot asset. Okay, dear. Give me just few seconds. I'm just doing something here, guys. Okay, I'm trying to set something at here. Okay, dear. Thank you so much for coming to my live stream, everyone. Good to see you guys. Very welcome. So, I was telling about sixth question right now. So, what is the sixth question we have seen right now? When will the reward extract asset be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance, our stacking is completed. Okay, the stacked asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked asset will be transferred to simple and actually, if this option is unchecked, the stacked asset will be transferred to the spot assets. Okay, dear. So as for now, moving further about this project, guys. So what is the thing there? You are seeing it here. It is a RCADE project available there. So when will the stat asset be redeemed? So after the user redeems in advance or the stacking is completed, the stat asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, the stat asset will be redeemed into the spot asset. So further, if the amount of the redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of the simple and the stat asset will be automatically transferred to the simple to transfer to the spot asset here. If the simple and does not support the claim of the redeem token, the assets will be automatically transferred to the spot assets here. Okay, dear. Another question what we gonna that we're gonna see here is the can I redeem my stat asset at any time? Answer is very simple. The platform will take multiple snapshots of the personal stacking amount each hour and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of the accrued reward. Please maintain the stable stacking amount to ensure the mining rewards. Okay, yeah. Eighth question: can I add additional stat assets? Answer is very simple. You can increase your stat assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive the stacking rewards. Ninth question: can I participate in the multiple projects at the same time? Answer is simple. When there are multiple launchable projects going on at the same time, okay, when there are multiple launchable projects going on at the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for the multiple projects there. Okay, so each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of the new tokens there. Okay, so moving for further situations there. Okay, there. So after that, what we can see another question there. Tenth question: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project here. Okay. Further, 11th question, will stacking assets in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? Answer is very simple. No, dear. No, assets stacked in a gate launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculation or for HODLer Airdrop, Launchpad, and VIP privilege. Okay, dear. So I hope so you are understanding the things very clearly, guys. So as right now moving further, dear, up to the 11th question we have seen. Right now moving to the 12th question. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? So in case of early ending, your stat principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on actually on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected there. Okay. Further about analyze percentage rate, some questions given there actually APR about the APR. So what are these questions there? First of all, when the reward coin is the stat coin, and in that case APR is actually equal to the total reward released in the last hour divided by the last hour's total stat multiplied by 365 multiplied by the 24 and multiplied by the 100 percentage. Okay, dear. Further, when the reward coin is not the stat coin, so in that case APR is actually equal to the total rewards released in the last hour multiplied by the closing price of the reward coin of the last hour divided by the last hour's total stack multiplied by closing price of the stat coin of the last hour multiplied by the 365 multiplied by 24 and multiplied by 100 percentage. Okay, dear. So further what we can see, the APR is an estimate and for the reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. Okay, dear. So moving further, what we can see there, these are actually the APR question that you have seen here about the APR. Right now, moving to how to participate in the Gate Launch Pool. Okay, how to participate in the Gate Launch Pool. The Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GD token, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing the market opportunities. Okay, dear. Moving further, how to join the Gate Launch Pool and stack to earn. So log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool. If you're using the app, then go to the if you're using the app, then go to the home and then go to the Launch Pool. But if you're using the website, then click on earn, then go to the Launch Pool. Okay. Choose the stacking pool you want to join. Click stack. Okay, dear. Enter the stacking amount, click confirm and complete the stacking. View rewards in the reward history after successful joining, after successful stacking there. Here are the step-by-step guidance from the web format, actually from the app format there, and there is actually step-by-step guidance from the web format. Further, you have to keep in mind these notes here. Please complete identity verification before participating in the launch pool to enhance the security of your account and the asset. Okay, dear. Further, the stat asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If this option is unchecked, stats asset will be redeemed into the spot asset. Okay, dear. Thirdly, the system will actually the system will take multiple snapshots of the actually stacking amount each hour, and you can increase your stacking assets at any time. Please maintain the stable stacking amount to ensure the mining reward. Okay. Right now, we have seen the how to participate in the HODLer airdrop of Gate Data. Sorry, in the launch pool of Gate Data. So right now, let's move and see some other things here. Okay, yeah. Right now, it's time to show you to the official page of Gate Launch Pool. Okay, this is the official page of Gate Launch Pool that you are seeing it here. So quick stacking on potential new tokens. Up to right now, 305.8 million USDT have been stacked. 27.21 billion USDT used in the fundraising. 5.70 million plus participants have participated. 564.4 K USDT estimated total reward. Okay. Further, you can see in progress here. 7 projects are available there in progress. Okay. Okay. ICNT project available there for in the gate launch pool for the stacking in the BTC pool, Ethereum pool, and the ICNT pool, and the DMC pool available also for the stacking in the USDT pool, GT pool, and DMC pool, and AIN project available in the stacking for the BTC pool and in the EN pool. Okay, there. And further frag available there in the stacking for the BTC pool and the frag pool, and for the Blum available for the Blum pool stacking, and mat in the mat pool and the BTC pool for the stacking there, and a NAM project available for stacking in the GD pool, NAM pool, and the USDT pool. Okay, these are some in progress projects going on in the launch pool for the stacking, and actually another there is another upcoming project. Let's have a look on that upcoming project here. So upcoming project is Boom. Okay, it is upcoming project in the gate launch pool. Its name is Boom. Okay, dear. Right now, uh, let me tell it to you the another event which is actually the HODLer Airdrop of Gate.io. Okay, let's move to the HODLer Airdrop. So here you can see about HODLer Airdrop. What is the HODLer Airdrop? First question, these are FAQs about the HODLer Airdrop. So first question is that what is the HODLer Airdrop? So HODLer Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for the GT tokens or the Gate token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share the airdrop tokens based on their GT holdings proportion. Okay, dear. It's very simple there. Further, what we can see there, what are the requirements to participate in the HODLer airdrop? So answer is very simple. Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT. Third question, what is the GT holding participation limit? So answer is very simple. The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project in a airdrop announcement. Okay, dear. For the fourth question, how are airdrop tokens distributed? Answer is very simple. Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your GT holdings from the start of the project. It will take multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depends on your average holdings throughout the entire event. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not be eligible for any reward. Okay, dear. The number of tokens a user ultimately receives, is actually equal to the user's average hourly holdings during the entire event. During the event, divided by all participants' total average hourly holdings during the event, multiplied by the total airdrop amount. Okay. Fifth question: can I participate in the multiple HODLer airdrop? Answer is very simple. Yes, dear. Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirements, you can participate in multiple HODLer airdrops. Okay, dear. Sixth question, will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Answer is simple. Users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. Okay, dear. Seventh question, how can I check my airdrop tokens, dear? So rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them at any time under earn, then going to the HODLer airdrop and then going to the history. Okay, dear. Further, eighth question, what should I do if I haven't received my airdrop token? So if you haven't received airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation, okay, meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, please contact the customer support. Okay, dear. Hey, Gate user, good morning, dear. Good morning to my live stream here. Welcome, dear. Welcome, dear. Welcome. Welcome to my live stream, dear. Gate user. Okay. So you have seen very nicely the effect about the actually this HODLer airdrop very nicely. I have told you very nicely every effect I have shared with you. So right now it's time for me to introduce you how to join the HODLer airdrop. Okay, dear. Any premium cryptocurrencies today? Yes, dear. There are many. You can go for AIN. Yes, dear. You can go for AIN. Yes, dear. Okay. Yes, AIN. AIN is a very good coin for today. Okay. AIN. Okay, dear. You can go for this coin. It's a very trending coin as for today. So, how to participate in the HODLer airdrop, guys? So, it's also very simple, dear. How to participate in the Gate HODLer airdrop? So, how to join Gate HODLer airdrop and claim free airdrop? Okay, first of all, log into your Gate account, navigate to the HODLer airdrop. And if you are using the app, then go to the on, then go to the HODLer airdrop. If you are using the website, then go to the on and then go to the HODLer airdrop. Select the in progress project and click the participate now to participate. Participation results can be viewed in the airdrop record on the project claim page. Okay, dear. Right now you can see here is the actually step-by-step guidance from the app format, and this is from the web format for the actually participation. Okay, dear. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Okay, dear. You have seen very nicely how to participate in the HODLer airdrop. Okay. Right now it's time for me to take you to another activity. Actually, it is also the same thing actually. So right now it's let's see how the official page of Gate HODLer airdrop looks like and what are the things actually available there. Here is the official page of HODLer airdrop of Gate.io. Okay, this is the official HODLer airdrop page of Gate.io. Okay, there you can see here HODLer airdrop. Hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. Up to right now, I have received 0.06 USDT in the HODLer Airdrop, and 127.4 million USD have been distributed in the HODLer Airdrop in the cumulative airdrops here. Okay, and 104.9k USD have been total airdrops. Okay, total airdrops. Okay, for the 11.53 million plus participants have participated. Okay, dear. So further, you can see in progress three projects are available here. Okay, first one is the 10C. Okay, 10C project here. It is available there. Total airdrop is 3,33,333 Tansi, and participants if you check here. So 3,346 participants have participated, and purchase is actually equal to the 0.1926 Tansi. Okay, dear. And further you can see it will end in the 4 hours and 29 minutes. Okay, it will end in the 4 hours and 29 minutes. And further you can see the RCADE in progress also available there. RCADE is also, it is our project here. It is also available in the Gate HODLer Airdrop. Okay, okay, it is available in the Gate HODLer Airdrop. RCADE, it is in progress. Okay, total airdrop here you can see 9.6 million RCADE and participants up to right now 11,540 people. 540 people have participated, and budget is 1.58 per RCADE, and its HODLer Airdrop will end in the 6 hours and 29 minutes. Okay, yeah. So you can see here the Charm project is also available. Okay, Charm project, it is also in progress here. Total airdrop is actually 2 million 83,333 Charm, and a participant up to right now 12,727 people have participated, and budget is actually equal to 0.63 70 Charm, and its ending time is actually 1 day and 0 hour and 28 minutes left behind in the ending of this project. Okay, yeah. So very nicely we have seen about the actually in progress projects in the HODLer Airdrop official page of HODLer Airdrop. Okay, yeah. Official page of HODLer Airdrop of Gate.io. Okay, guys. Right now, let me take you to the very interesting event that I love the most. I love this event, guys. So its name is Startup Referral Carnival, guys. Oh my god, my favorite event, my favorite very nice event, guys. Okay, so what is the name of event? So name of the event is Startup Referral Carnival. Okay, guys, Startup Referral Carnival. So what you have to do, guys, just invite friends to register or participate in the startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Okay, yeah. Invite friends to register or participate in the startup for the first time to claim more airdrops. Invite now button given here. Just to click on it here, and then join startup and claim massive free airdrops. Okay, up to right now 1100 plus project launched here. 100 million plus USD total airdrop distributed. APY up to the 16.49 percentage. Okay, dear. And further here you can download this poster from here, and actually the copy the link from here, or actually from here, and then actually what you have to do, what you then actually can do there. Hey, dear actually gate user. Hey dear, you send me one USDT. Oh my god, thank you so much dear for rewarding me this one USDT gate user. Thank you so much for rewarding me one USDT. Thank you so much gate user 5A 1F 0 in 80. Thank you so much dear for rewarding one USDT. I'm very thankful to you dear for coming to my live stream here. Very welcome, dear. Very welcome. And I'm very happy to see you guys, all of you guys. Thank you so much, especially Gate User, who rewarded me with one USDT. My God. Thank you so much, Gate User. Okay, guys, if you see here, you can have to copy the actually poster, share the link from here actually. Copy the share link from here and post it on the Twitter, Facebook, or the Telegram, or the email, or the WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or the line, so that people can actually join from this link, and they can you can actually they can be your invitee. Okay, dear, they can become your invitee there. Hey dear get user, you are asking something here. I'm not able to understand your language dear. Use English language please. Use English please. Use English language please dear, please. Can you please use English language? Okay. But just you have to right now. Let me tell it to you about some of the situations about this event. You just have to click cancel here. Okay, guys. Right now you can see here there are three main tasks that you have to perform in this event. Okay, there are three main tasks. So which are these tasks? There, first of all, invite friend. Okay. Hi, Skyfall. Hi, dear friend. Skyfall. Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Actually, no, actually today my net is actually not as much good. It's much weak, so that's why actually internet is very weak. So that's why I'm actually uh, my voice is delay. Okay, internet is much weak, so that's why my voice is delayed here. So uh, yes, dear, welcome. Yes, dear friend. Thank you so much for your reward. Thank you for one USDT. Thank you for one USDT, dear. Thank you so much. How is the day? Day is cool, dear. Actually, get user, you send me one USDT. My voice is delay today. My voice is delay today due to internet, due to bad internet. So sorry for that thing actually due to bad internet. Okay, dear. So please ignore the get user. Hey gate user, I hope so you are actually hey, it's actually gate user 5A1F0E80. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. Thank you so much for giving me the one USDT in the reward there. Thank you so much. Hey guys, right now, what you have to do actually here, actually you can see here and this startup referral carnival. There are three main tasks that you have to perform. Okay, dear. There are three main tasks that you have to perform. So first of all, invite friends. Okay, so share the exclusive referral link with the friends to invite them to register or join a startup, claim successfully for the first time, and then there will be your valid invitee. Okay, dear. After that, secondly, earn stars. Okay, stars are earned according to the daily trading volume. Okay, daily trading volume. The more valid trading volume of the valid invitees within 30 days, the more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn there. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple there. So again, listen here. Secondly, what you have to do, earn stars. The stars are earned according to the daily trading volume of your valid invitee. Daily trading volume of valid invitees within 30 days. The more trading volume of your valid invitee, the more stars you can earn. Swap the stars for the first. Then what you have to do further here? Swap stars. Okay, swap stars. Actually, you can see swap stars for the shares. You can redeem stars for additional claim shares in the startup. Okay, dear. Further, right now, so there are some FAQs that about the startup referral carnival. So these are FAQs given here. So let me tell it to you about these FAQs, guys. So first of all, first FAQ, what is the startup star? So startup star is the exclusive reward for a reward of startup which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Okay, here. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars to swap shares of our project. You can swap shares for as many projects as you can every day. Okay, dear. Thank you so much. Gate user. Welcome, dear. Welcome. Welcome to my live stream here. Thank you so much, Gate user. Welcome, dear. Okay. Further, another question there. How to earn startup stars? Okay, it is also very simple. New users who complete a minimum of 10 USDT in the spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on this page can earn 100 startup stars. Existing users can invite new users to register on the gate.io or invite the other users to participate in the startup for the first time. Both the new users and the other users and actually the users participating in the startup for the first time will be counted as your valid invitees. The system will daily calculate the trading volume of your valid invitee from the previous day. If the trading volume of the invitees from the previous day is not less than 1000 USDT, startup stars will be distributed on the same day. Okay, dear. The higher the trading volume, the more startup stars you can earn. The trading volume is exactly equal to the spot trading volume plus future trading volume multiplied by 40%. Okay, dear. All users who participate in the startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. Okay, dear. Right now, moving to another question here, FAQ actually, how to swap startup stars. Okay, so every 10 stars can swap one shares of free airdrop. Okay, can swap one share of VIP free airdrop. You can input the number of stars upon subscription to claim extra shares. You can use the startup stars when participating in the VIP free airdrop to claim extra free airdrop. Okay. Moving further, can I receive startup stars every day? Oh, this is also very simple. For invite to earn, startup stars are the distributed startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invitee in a 30-day period. View the announcement for the more details. The more invitees reach the trading volume, the more startup stars you will receive. Okay, dear. Wow, thank you so much, guys. You can see here very nicely. Everyone who's joining my live stream, thank you so much, dear. So further, can I claim both the VIP default shares or the startup vouchers and the startup star swapping shares? So yes, dear, it's simple. Yes, you can claim both of them. Startup stars swapping shares are the extra shares. In addition to your VIP default shares or the startup vouchers, you can swap startup stars to receive extra shares of VIP free airdrop. Okay. Another question: is there a valid a period for the startup stars? So startup stars are always valid, okay. But the product upgrade or the rules change may lead to the invalidation of the startup stars. So please refer to the relevant stars. So please use your stars to swap share the sooner the better. Okay, dear. It's reminded to you so that you can use it them the sooner the better. Okay, dear. Further, another question, dear: how many startup stars can I earn by inviting the friends? Okay, this is the last question actually here. So startup stars will be awarded based on the first claim of your invited friends or their trading volume completed within 30 days following the registration. The trading volume of the invitee will be checked on daily basis from the previous day. If it meets or exceeds 1000 USD, startup stars will be credited to your account. The more the invitee trades, the more startup stars you can earn there. We will take a snapshot of the trading volume of the invited from the previous day at 000 AM UTC every day. The startup stars will be issued at 2 AM UTC every day. Okay, dear. Further, moving downward further, startup stars can be swapped to share for shares of VIP free airdrop at a rate of 10 stars for one share. Please note that there is a cap of 40,000 stars per project, allowing a maximum of 4,000 shares to be swapped for each project. Okay. Further, you can see daily trading volume, startup stars, and the shares. Okay, if you look at here actually, so if the trading volume of your invitee is less than 1000 USD, you will get no startup star and no share. And if its trading volume is lying between the 1000 to 3000 USD, you will get 10 startup stars and one share. And if the trading volume is lying between 3001 USD to actually 6000 USD, you will get 20 startup stars and two shares. Okay. And if the trading volume is lying between the 6001 USD to 12,000 USD, you will get 60 startup stars and 6 shares. And if the trading volume is lying between the 12,001 USD to actually 25,000 USD,